Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. We strongly recommend you to stay on a sim as long as needed before you start using a real money. This is a very high risk trading, and you should be aware of the high risk. Uh, we're about done for today, and I don't know if some of you been in the other channel on the other channel live today. We still have a couple of charts open. We are covering the TI7. We still have a few open. Now this one has closed. We have a few open position yet. This one here just closed, so we're gonna get it out of the way. We still have one ES is already hit the target 1,225, and there is 175 left. So what we do, we're gonna force close position here, and we are done with that. It takes 1,475. On the DAX, we don't have too many charts on the DAX. One chart is enough, very consistent. And this is the TI7. I mean, everything started around 9:30 today, and we went live around 9:45 on the other YouTube, and you can see how much this auto trade made on the DAX. But we started today at 9:30. The DAX made it 1 minute 13:52. CL scalping, the TI7, you can do scalping, swing trading, or in between. Scalping CL is the same auto trade TI7, 520. You can put it on a scalping mode. Swing trade has a different variety of entries, filters, exits. Nasdaq 2 minutes, it just closed not long time ago, 1,680 on the 2 minutes. We only use minutes because they are consistent, but you can use any time frame if you wanted to use a tick chart, if you wanted to use a range. But the minute, it gives pretty well very consistent trading. If the auto trade algorithm work properly, then you don't need to use Renko bar and funny time frame. You can stay consistent on the minute because the chart on NinjaTrader is in minute. It's not in Renko bar, not in line break, not in ticks, not in range. So minutes, it is the true story behind any trade. The YM is 2820. You can use a micro account if you want to. ES 1820. Russell on the 2 minutes, 1,110. Russell on the 3 minutes, scalping. Most of them we were done around 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10:30. Most of them, they were close position. And this one here start at 9:30. We were done by before 10 o'clock, 8:25. This one here, 1985 on the YM 4 minutes. Nasdaq 3 minutes. 3,495, and it was done a little bit after 10 o'clock. One trade, it was done. And actually, I think this one here, we ran, if you look at the other channel, we ran this one on the other channel live today. And ES 2 minutes, 23. 5 minutes, 22.62. ES 3 minutes, scalping, 1775. And you can take one trade, two trade, five, whatever you want. You can use it on a micro account. You can use it on mini account. The YM 4 minutes, 1340. Russell scalping 825. all those like those target 22, all of them, the one above 1,000 is $1,000 target. The one is below the 1,000, like this one here, is based on one contract or two contract, and the daily target is 500, and this one here is 825. We have not done yet, but we will. I'm working on the forex, and should be ready to. I'm still adjusting the forex for an automated forex, and we will be showing the forex very soon. And also, we are making the for the stocks. We are making one for the stock, and should be ready by tomorrow. Those are the Dow Jones stocks. And we are making a new market analyzer based on the 3-5 minutes. We will be covering that very soon. Let's look at the new scalper we are about to release on the next webinar on Monday. This is a very simple. This is the new scalper. We specially made it for beginners, and it is a very consistent. And we have tested for almost a month right now, and we are releasing it on Monday. 0 bugs in it, and it is an option for this new trader. He can set his own trailing stop, or he can just turn it on, turn it off, and put the trailing stop loss on 0. The auto trade will take over. It's very simple what you're looking at. The CL 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So what we do, why we do that? ES 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5. So this way we can see the performance on the 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and 4 minutes. After you test it for 30 days, like what we have done, we can pinpoint to say to the trader, use ES 2 minutes. We can pinpoint the NASDAQ to say, use 4 minutes. So this is our own testing, and you can see some didn't make it today, like the YM 5 minutes didn't make it today. Welcome to trading. The Russell 3 minutes today didn't make it. The CL 5 minutes took a lot of trade and didn't make it. And the ES is always hitting the chart, and they're all market order. They're not limited order. And we are using a base on 2 contracts, $500 a day on each instrument. And if we take the ES, most of you trade the ES. The 1 minute made 850. It's the same setting. There is no complication, no optimization needed. It's the same setting. Turn on, turn off. 575 on the 2 minutes, 525 on the 3 minutes, 1,000 on the 4 minutes, and 625 on the 5 minutes. Today the ES made 1,000 here. Tomorrow could be the ES make 1,000 there. This is not our point. Our point to see which is the most consistent time frame, and we use it. I just want to share, we're not done with the Forex and the stocks. I just wanted to show you what we are working on. If we look on the top market analyzer here, we have combined the 1 minute signal, because you're probably going to activate it for the traders. As you see, this is a 1 minute area, 3 minute, and the 5 minutes area. And why we have combined them all. And if you don't want it this long market analyzer, we have the 1 minute is right there. And we have the scalping which we have used today on the, but now the market is finished for today. We used a lot today on the other channel live, and I'll send the link to the other channel. So this is the NASDAQ scalping 15-second, and it's coming from that market analyzer. So you can have a simple, they all is the same indicator, is the same system. I mean, there is no different in the price or anything. They're all included here. But so why we have put the 1 minute and 3 minutes and 5 minutes? It is very good for the trader to see an early prediction on what happened on the 15, because now the market is over, so everything is flat, and there is a lot of volatility. Red and green is all over the place, red and green right now, but it's over. Right now it is, if I can find my clock, it's 3:41. It's finished. You know, it's 3:41 p.m. It's done, and we're gonna actually flatten out everything. So it is very, very good for a guy who wanted to trade, let's say, long, and when he sees the 1 minute go into the sell position, the 2 minutes is still on the buy position, and the 5 minutes is still on the buy position. So he can synchronize all those three time frame, and he can pinpoint the direction of the market. Even if you are auto trading, you will know if this auto trade go into your favor, that trade, or not. So we are stepping up a little bit, getting it a little bit more advanced for those guys that have been around. And if you want to simplify things, you just use 1 minute market analyzer, or if you want to use the scalper, you can use the scalper. And we have the Forex here. And here is the stocks as well. It's very mixed right now in the stock, but still there is 618 ticks into the profit. Folks, that's all what we have, and we will see you all on the other channel on Thursday live. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Bye for now.